Juicy, tender pieces of chicken glazed in sweet and savory sauce. We are going to be making Japanese chicken teriyaki today, and for this we need just 5 basic ingredients. As you all know, Japanese is my absolute favorite, and the simplicity of flavors makes it amazing. I'm going to show you all my tricks to get this chicken teriyaki absolutely juicy from the inside and super glazed on the outside. So let's get started. This is about 1.5 cup of fresh orange juice. You can also use the canned one, no problems with that. I'm going to be adding about half a cup of honey to this. So if you're using the canned orange juice, see to it that you adjust the quantity of honey because it might just become too sweet. But don't worry, it always works better if it's sweeter. This is a really favorite brand of light soy, that's Lee Kum Kee, and it's very easily available here. It's important to use a good quality light soy. So I am taking half a cup of light soy, adding it to the juice. Next we're going to add a good quality sesame oil. So this is another really amazing brand. It is so fragrant. I love sesame oil. So in goes 2 tablespoons sesame oil. Now I'm going to grate about 2-inch ginger. Now in the jar I am adding grated ginger. So give it a nice mix and your chicken teriyaki marinade is ready. So what I've done here is I have taken about half a kg of chicken. This is boneless chicken. I have cut it lengthwise. And I'm going to just pour in our teriyaki marinade. Pour it in completely. Now let this chicken rest for at least 2 hours. If you give it a nice 2 to 3 hours, that is amazing for the chicken because it will become nice, tender and juicy. So what I'm doing here is I'm just going to take the chicken bits, just like these, not taking too much of the marinade. I'm just going to put it on the grill. Listen to the sizzle. How amazing is the sizzle? On a high flame, I'm going to let the chicken get cooked and grill it nicely. The honey and the orange juice is getting caramelized and it has that, that salty, tangy smell, which is teriyaki, which is authentic teriyaki. And it is, you don't have to go and buy an expensive bottle of teriyaki, you can just cook this marinade. If you cook it and let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes, it is actually nothing but an authentic teriyaki sauce. How simple is that? It gets you the exact same precise taste of authentic teriyaki chicken. It was my dream to travel to Japan and actually live there and learn the culinary skills of Japanese cuisine because it fascinates me so much. Everything about the Japanese culture fascinates me. The simplicity, the perfection and the attention to details and the preciseness in every small thing. Like I started making sushi, I think when I was just about 18 or 19 years old. And again, I did not have the access to internet. I learned it by reading books and things like that, or looking at pictures and trying to procure the ingredients. It just fascinates me so much. So I really hope and I know one day I'm going to go to Japan and stay with an ethnic Japanese family where I would actually get to learn their basic cooking. That's my dream. Maybe post this lockdown ends. So now the chicken has been sizzling on this grill pan for 5 minutes and you are looking at these burnt, caramelized grilled marks. This is what you're looking at. That's why the flame is super high. Only then you're going to get these grilled marks. So now I'm going to give it another 2 to 3 minutes on a high flame on the other side. and let the other side get char grilled, just like this one. Guys, you have to smell these aromas. It is so yummy. Love the peas. It's so simple, just orange juice and a little bit of ginger and a little bit of honey, like seriously, and soy. I mean, a good quality soy, guys, is the trick. Okay, do not use a dark soy, it's going to really ruin the authentic taste. So just invest in a good light soy, it goes a long way. Okay, I think it's done from the other side, so I am now going ahead and just going to add the marinade on top of this. Yummy. Just bit by bit, not everything together, because it's going to start reducing. And what we are looking at here is trying to reduce the marinade, and it's going to become into this nice thick and gooey sauce. That's what you're looking at. So you just add in the marinade and let it sizzle on high heat for another, I would say, about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how thick you want your sauce to be. So in a small pan, I'm going to just roast a little bit of sesame seed. This is just going to be a garnish. So you can see now that the sauce is nicely thickening up. See, this is what you're looking at for chicken. If you marinate it for nice 2 hours, this is what you're going to get. And it's a beautiful color. Like, I'm just loving this color, guys. You have to check this color out. It's so gorgeous. The orange juice and the honey and everything coming together. Right now it's pretty liquid. And I like it slightly more thicker than this, but if you keep it on for maybe 5 minutes more, then it's going to be really, really thick, and that also can be had as a starter. I mean, just go and improvise on the protein part of it. I have used chicken because chicken teriyaki is a signature Japanese dish, but you can go ahead and use prawns. Prawns would taste amazing in teriyaki. You can use tofu. Tofu is brilliant for a vegetarian option. You can use paneer, you can use veggies. Oh, you can also use our humble potato, and that would be great. This is the consistency that we are looking for. It's beautiful and thick. And this gorgeous color is so beautiful. Okay, I'm going to switch this off now. So let's get to plating. So teriyaki is traditionally had with rice. That's it. But some people like it with noodles, some people like it with fried noodles, some people like it as a starter. I love it with some homemade sticky rice. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to put it on the rice. It's as simple as that. Teriyaki sauce, guys, is extremely strong and very, very strong in flavors, that is. So you wouldn't need too much of it. You would actually just need a few spoonful of sauce, that's it. Adding a bunch of carrots to go with it. And a little bit of spring onion. Roasted sesame seed. Very, very important. A perfect, healthy bowl of teriyaki chicken is ready. Try out this recipe, guys. I promise you, you're gonna love it. The simplicity, the ease is just brilliant. You're gonna love this. Let me know in the comments how it turns out. Also, do suggest me if there's any other Japanese recipes that you want me to make, maybe a sushi or a miso or something. You'll see a recipe of miso ramen. You'll see it somewhere there. And my channel is iHumSanandini. Do subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know how this turns out.